The last thing that we want to talk about is something called a determinant. A determinant is something that is only associated with square matrices, and there's a bunch of applications of ways that we use the determinant. We're going to see some of them tomorrow when we talk about lesson 10.5. So right now we just need to learn how to find the determinant. So if you have a 2 by 2 matrix, the determinant is always a single number, and the determinant for a 2 by 2 matrix is AD minus BC. So you multiply those numbers and you subtract those two numbers multiplied. Okay, that's it. And it's just going to be a number. This might be a problem that they would give you like possibly on the ACT, but they would likely tell you this little formula. So anyway, let's find the determinant of each of these matrices. So to find the determinant of matrix A, we're going to multiply 1 times -1 minus 3 times 2, and so the determinant is -7. For matrix B, we're going to multiply here. We get 10 minus, multiply there, 0, so the determinant is 10. And then for matrix C, we're going to multiply 3 times 4, which is 12, minus 12, which is 0. So those are the determinants. And like I said, we'll get some applications with those tomorrow. Now, if you want to find a determinant of something bigger, that little formula only works for 2 by 2 matrices. There is a nifty little way to do 3 by 3 matrices by hand. Honestly, it's not quite worth learning about, so I want to show you how to do this on our Desmos calculator again. So go back to your matrix calculator. We're going to do a new matrix. It's 3 by 3. So let's see. Our matrix was 3, 4, -2, 3, 5, 0, and -1, 4, 1. And we just hit enter. Now down at the bottom, we gotta find it, there it is. We have DET down at the bottom. That's what we want, the determinant of matrix D, and it just calculates it, -31. So back over here, oh, that was not the button I wanted, I apologize. That's what I needed. So this, we would say the determinant of matrix A is -31. All right, we can do a 4 by 4 matrix. Let's go back to the Desmos calculator. We're going to need a new matrix for this. Oh, not that many new matrices. Hang on. Okay. Matrix E is going to be a 4 by 4. So 2, 6, -4, 2, 2, -2, 3, 6. Okay, so there's matrix E. We need to find the determinant of matrix E, and there it is, 704. So again, determinants are only for square matrices, and we can just use Desmos to find them very quickly. So now we know that the determinant of this matrix A is 704. And in lesson 7.5, we'll see some applications of all of the stuff we've talked about today.